Well, here we are with the 06 V-strom. I was already pressure washing some stuff, so I thought, man, this bike's getting neglected sitting under the covers under the covered area. So I thought, man, this thing needs to be washed. Let's see how dusty it is. Normally, I'm not a big washing of the bike fan, but I do like it for finding oil leaks and all that kind of stuff with it too. So as much as I'm not a big fan of washing the bike and detailing it out and all that, I do it. I won't lie. Well, I don't need to degrease this or anything. It really is just dusty from sitting. So we're just gonna pressure wash it off. We'll hit it with the foam cannon, which will be fun. And then just spray it off, and it's about 100 degrees heat index outside, so it should dry pretty quick. So probably don't need to worry about blowing it off or anything. So anyhow, let's get into it. Well, got the foam cannon on it, mostly just soap. Walk around. Some people like the foam cannon. I like the foam cannon. Well, you can see that stuff is coming off quick and it's drying fast because it's hot, so let's get the pressure washer and get it washed off. Well, here we are. You can see it's not awesome. I should have run a towel over it or something, you know, grab my wash rag. But it's way better than it was, and hopefully we'll be riding it soon. I will be riding it soon. Hopefully this week need to get a quick ride in, run some gas through it, and then do an oil change, do some basic maintenance on it, and be ready to go. It's fine now. It could go anywhere. This bike's always been great for us. If I had a daily, this would be it. But this is the normal bike that I ride most of the time. This is if I'm going for a ride, this is what I take. I don't have anything else at the moment. Working on a lot of different projects, obviously, but this one I don't do a whole lot to because, well, it's just good. It works. Why mess with it? So there we are. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, share, you know, that whole thing. It really helps me out. You know, again, if you like the content, you're going to see more of it. This bike will show up more on here. We'll do some maintenance on here, and there's a few little small upgrades I'm planning on doing. But hopefully get a GoPro soon so I can do some riding videos with it. So, thanks for watching.